Well, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers, and I hope all of you are doing well. And thank you very much for watching my channel, Sociology 3 and 1. In today's lecture, we will talk about and discuss the term acculturation. So let's start. Acculturation is a process of social, psychological, and cultural change that stems from the balancing two cultures while adapting to the prevailing culture of the society. This is a process in which an individual adapts, acquires, and adjusts to new cultural environment as a result of being placed into a new culture, or when another culture is brought to someone. Individuals of a differing culture try to incorporate themselves into the new, more prevalent culture by participating in aspects of the more prevalent culture, such as their tradition, but still hold onto their original cultural custom and traditions. The effects of acculturation can be seen at multiple levels in both the devotee of the prevailing culture and those who are assimilating into the new culture. At this group level, acculturation often results in changes to culture, religious practices, healthcare, and other social institutions. There are also significant ramifications on the food, clothing, language of those becoming introduced to the overarching culture of a new society. At the individual level, the process of acculturation refers to the socialization process by which foreign-born individuals blend the values, custom norms, cultural attitudes, and behaviour of the overarching host culture. This process is being linked to changes in daily behavior as well as changes in psychological and physical well-being of the people. As enculturation is used to describe the process of first culture learning, while acculturation can be thought of as second cultural learning. Under normal circumstances that are seen commonly in today's society, the process of acculturation normally occurs over a large span of time throughout a few generations. Physical force can be seen in some instances of acculturation, which can cause it to occur more rapidly, but it is not a main component of the process. Thank you very much for watching.